Good morning, guys. Yeah, look how mess it is here. All the things that we used for cooking last night is here. This is where I slept last night. There are some insect. Inigo is down there. And this is how it is. This is where I'm drying the clothes that was with last night. And today I was surprised that the tented inigo is dry actually. Yeah, nice. I don't know why it is dry. Usually when I am camping, it is a wet of you know, moist of the night, but it's dry. Very good. Parang pizza oven.
Utusan ako no, 10 pisong pandesal. 50 pesos, 50 centimos ang isa eh. Wala naman.
Mayroon yun.
Yun, pinakamagagandang mga falls at saka mga ganyan ng Pilipinas, bro. Di ba nga, kahit simpleng baryo lang, may mga ganyan na, di ba?
Yeah, now it's time to dishwash it. Yeah, we are going home. Oh, we are going somewhere else first. We'll be looking for a walking trail. And we stopped by here for a little bit just to show you how green it is, the grass these days. In the coming months, those green is going to be brown. Yeah, most of this is a farmland, but usually for cattle walk, not farming of plants or vegetables. There is 2 residents in here because there are 2 mailboxes. It is actually hot in here. Yeah, the heat of the sun, there's no much wind, so if you are walking in here, you'll be sweating. The name of this place is Queens Lake Nature Reserve. Yeah, there is a picnic area in here. And in case you don't know, most of the parks here in Australia, national parks, are usually under surveillance. Yeah, you're going to read it like that, 24 hours, area under surveillance. Yeah, and so it means that there are cameras around, and also there are sometimes wildlife cameras. Yeah, you will see, sometimes you're going to see something weird looking device. Those are cameras actually. Another thing is there is a toilet. Was sleeping in the van. Inigo is the one driving, and we reached this place. I forgot the name. It's something C. I can see that inside there is actually kind of a walking trail, a hanging walking trail. Oh, Sea Acres National Park, that's the name. Oh, I'm waiting for Inigo. I think he's on the phone. So once you get inside, this is what you're going to see. There are some kind of a souvenir shop. There's a restaurant inside here, and there are trees of almost endless variety. Yeah, actually $9 per entry. There is this kind of yep, look at this. This is sugar cane. Very nice sugar cane, like bamboo, like a vine. And even this, amazing, this tree. Yeah, the name is strangling pig. Oh, there's a snake. Yeah, big snake. This one. Yeah, this is a snake. Look at the head. This is eagle.
Owl.
Ninox owl. You know, they made this place because there are different varieties of trees in here. Yeah, and also different characteristic of trees. And look at this tree. It is too big, very big. But if you notice in some of my videos in Nelson Bay, yeah, there's a lot of big trees. Yeah, just along the way, just casually you can see it there. Bigger than this one. Yeah, it's just a very short drive coming from the park where we've been. There is this Harris lookout, and there's actually the beach down there. This place is actually a residential area, main road. And look at this tree. Another tree grows on top of it. And there is this yeah, there is the Harris lookout, and there are some people here who's going to do paragliding. Noise. And
Let's get it out of the way.
yeah, there is this beach in here. There is one person there, and we are going down. Yeah, different characteristic of a forest. Look at this. Very small, a lot of small trees. And look at the, yeah, roots. It's visible now. How beautiful. Oh, Inigo said the cricket, that's why it is noisy, because they are looking for
A mate.
a mate. We are back here. Yeah. We're going to do that. garbage bin. This one is a very long beach. I can see that there's some kind of umbrella on that far side. Rocky area, some rocky area in Equis there. We are actually still far in Nelson Bay. Huh? And we end up here in Taree. Yeah, this is the next big city coming from Newcastle. I actually been here before when I was riding my bike from Nelson Bay to Brisbane. Yeah, I stopped by here. It is beautiful here in Taree, particularly here in the park area. This river is the Manning River. Yeah, and it looks like one of the biggest river here in New South Wales. And now we are here in one of the rest area. Oh, look at that. And there is actually a lot of trucks over there. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 40. There is 40 wheels.
Ubusin natin yan.